Weekdays, stream First Alert Weather Plus.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us.
WLBT's First Alert Weather Team is keeping you up to date with the latest information. From your morning commute to your afternoon drive, we're on your side, streaming on your favorite devices. WLBT First Alert Weather Plus.
WLBT's First Alert Weather Team is committed to your safety with 6 hours of continuous team coverage.
This is a relentless storm, Dave.
We're fortunate we all made it out alive.
And our network of skycams across the state alerting you to danger, bringing you live footage of tornadoes as they touch down in Wathau County.
Look at this, Chase. Guys, look at that.
This is ground zero almost. I mean, this is really hard to stomach, like I said.
We take our commitment to being on your side seriously, and together, we're Mississippi Strong.
Weekdays, stream First Alert Weather Plus.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us.
WLBT's First Alert Weather Team is keeping you up to date with the latest information. From your morning commute to your afternoon drive, we're on your side, streaming on your favorite devices. WLBT First Alert Weather Plus.
All righty. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me here on WLBT Plus First Alert Weather Edition. I'm meteorologist Chase France, and it has been a very busy start to our day. It's been warm, been muggy, been breezy, talking about those wind gusts upwards of really 15 miles per hour right now. But throughout the rest of your day, it's going to be a pretty windy outlook as well. So we're going to be talking about wind gusts upwards of 30 miles an hour into your forecast for your day today. That's crazy. Very windy ahead of this frontal line. Got to make sure you just leave the hats at home, people. You don't really need them today. It is going to be a little bit more sunny. Thankfully, we are staying nice and dry right now into the forecast. There is going to be a chance for some isolated showers developing into your day today. Let's break this down for you. Actually, I'm going to get into this graphic and we're going to talk about this. So, isolated showers possible into the day today. Same thing into your Friday, Friday night and into Saturday morning. We have the potential to see some stronger end thunderstorms. Again, our short range models don't necessarily see out that far just quite yet. So that's something that we are going to be keeping our close eye on. So let's talk about what are some of our models that can see that far out are looking at. So let's look at the graph. Again, the graph has been downplaying it quite a bit, actually looking at very limited chances for rainfall here into our forecast. I do think this is unlikely, but it's because the cap in the air, again, we have a very high shear environment, which could lead to very quick spin-ups. But we also are looking at the chances for just some stronger to even severe storms. I'm waiting for this other one to develop, so... Of course, it takes a minute. There it goes. Okay. So this is a look at the NAM. I think this is a very likely outcome. I do think it's possible that, again, that little bit into the early morning hours, just very light in terms of actual coverage. But the potential to see some of those stronger in cells is there. That's for sure. So again, you just got to make sure you're staying weather aware as we get going into your forecast. I'm waiting for this one to, there we go. Again, not looking at anything crazy. Again, the timing does line up around the early morning hours into Saturday, and then it's done by Sunday. So that's great. That's what we're going to be tracking though. The potential for that severe weather is there, although be it fairly low. We're definitely going to be talking about that throughout the rest of the day. Again, Friday, marginal risk for North Mississippi. Saturday pushes off to the southeast of us. So not really looking at it widespread in our area, but the severe energy is there and it's very potent. So that's something to note, is that the energy is there for the severe weather. It's just a matter of, does it break through the cap? Does it, what model does it actually line up with? So we'll be keeping a close eye on the forecast today and tomorrow, see how those models verify. And that's how we'll get the best idea on what to expect with this severe weather into this weekend. But overall, the weather whiplash is there. Highs today will be into the 80s. By Monday morning, we'll be back down in the low 30s. So a wide range of conditions expected here over the course of the next week and a half. So please make sure you have ways of staying updated. And we'll go into more details about what you'll be expecting here into your forecast throughout the rest of the week. And again, we'll have another update live for you at 11. So stay blessed, stay safe, and stay weather aware into the day today.